Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the TCL 65-inch class QM6K series QD Mini LED 4K UHD Google Smart TV, one of the best value mini LED TVs out there. Before we get started, if you're looking to grab this TV at the best deal available today, you can check out the link below. Now, let's see why this might just be the perfect entertainment upgrade for your home. First off, the QM6K series combines QD Mini LED technology with QLED color to deliver a picture that's incredibly vibrant, detailed, and accurate. The high-contrast screen ensures deep blacks and bright highlights, so whether you're watching movies at night or sports in a well-lit room, the image pops beautifully. Gamers, this one's for you. With a 144Hz native refresh rate and 288Hz gaming accelerator, motion is buttery smooth, and input lag is minimized, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming sessions. It also supports VRR, variable refresh rate, for a tear-free experience, so you'll always have that competitive edge. Sound-wise, TCL has partnered with Onkyo audio for an immersive, cinema-like experience. The speakers are tuned for clear dialogue, punchy bass, and dynamic range that enhances everything from quiet scenes to explosive action. And because it's a Google TV, you get access to thousands of apps, streaming platforms, and voice control through Google Assistant, making navigation and content discovery effortless. You can even cast content directly from your phone or tablet. Overall, the TCL QM6K series strikes an incredible balance between performance, features, and price. If you're after premium picture quality, next-gen gaming performance, and a feature-rich smart platform without overspending, this TV is hard to beat. If you want to check today's price and grab the best deal, the link is in the description below. Don't miss it.